Hi everyone! Today we're talking about 10 delicious and tasty Sumatran cuisine recipes. Part 1. 1. We have Rendang. This is an iconic dish from Padang, West Sumatra. Beef marinated in spices and coconut milk, cooked until tender and fragrant. 2. Chicken curry. Usually cooked with potatoes, chili, and spices like cinnamon and cloves. Great served with rice. 3. Mie Aceh. Yellow noodles cooked with thick spicy broth. Usually served with beef or chicken. 4. Gulai Ikan. A fish dish cooked in coconut milk and spices. Perfect with rice. 5. Sate Padang. Grilled beef skewers with typical Padang peanut sauce. Delicious as a snack or main course. See you at part 2.